Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys how to enable color correction mode setting on vivo phone device and how to use it. Friends, you want to enable color correction on your vivo phone device, so how to enable and use. Today friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see what is color correction and how to enable on vivo phone device. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, click on view phone shortcut setting. After on shortcut setting friends, you want to take a screenshot with three fingers, so you can organize your three finger screenshot from here. Friends, you want to enable your incoming call flash notification, you can enable from here friends. Friends, click on accessibility setting. After on accessibility friends, you can on your accessibility menu select to speak, switch access, talkback friends you want to use, so you can on talkback from here. Friends, click on color setting and friends click on color correction and friends enable color correction. After enable friends, you can change your skin color mode. Friends, you can see skin color and phone icon color will change. And friends, you want to change get this red green color, so friends you can change into red green. And friends, there are three mode. Friends, blue yellow you want to use, so friends you can see after change color correction mode friends, you can see screen color will change and the phone icon color will change on our vivo phone device. So friends, you want to change your phone screen color, you want to change your phone icon color, so guys you can enable color correction setting and you can use it on your vivo phone device. So friends, again click on phone setting and friends you can find your color correction friends direct here. Search here color correction friends, you can see color correction friends, you can enable from here. Friends, you don't want to use, so tap here and guys your color correction will disable, and friends you can use your phone with your default colors. So like that friends, we can use color correction. So bye friends, thanks for watching.